Hello everyone, welcome to How to Tuts, and in this video you're gonna learn how to fix online status is not showing in your Viber account or your friend. After watching this tutorial you will learn, so watch the video till the end. So now let's begin the tutorial. Here you can see Viber app, so click on your Viber app and then go to more. Here you can see right bottom side on your screen, click more and scroll down a little bit. Then here you can see the option settings, so click on settings, and then here you can see the option of privacy before account. Okay, this one, privacy, so click on this, and then you can see the option share online status. So it's when you think that it's unchecked, so it means you are not able to see other online status, either they active or not. So when you click here, so that time they will see that you are online, but you can change the settings on every 24 hours. So I did it a few minutes ago, that's why it's not a make change. Okay friend, I hope this video was short and a helpful tutorial for you. Please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching this tutorial.